Hello traders, we're here to talk about doing a quick video on how to place sell orders or short orders on BlackArrow. Okay, the simplest way, if you want to place an order, let's say we're seeing mini Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq here. I want to place an order right in 2417. Okay, if I place a sell limit order, it's gonna be right there. Okay, can even move it along to whatever the place I want. If I want to place a selected quantity as well, right? So if I want to sell a market order, you just press an order here and you execute it. Okay.
Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click on the card up here.
There is another way, which I would say it's the best and fastest way to place orders in each side. On the long side, as I said, it is shift as a hotkey. On the short side or sell side, it's right with alt. If you press alt, you can place how many orders you want on the sell side. And that's a game changing, guys. That's a game changer actually, because you pretty much gain a lot of speed in your trading. Okay, so you execute really fast all your trades. Okay, and there you go. And if you want to close, you can use the buy order, right, limit order, or you just cancel and close all the trades. Okay, you do have the option as well if you want to use the order entry solution, which is, wouldn't say the fast solution, but it works as well. Okay, if you go here and you want to place the sell, let me get back to it. If you want to place a sell, you just press right there and it's a sell as well. So both and all of these solutions work. It's just a matter of you guys understanding what is the best for you. Okay, to the next video.